I've got my annoying vegan outfit on for this one because it's a bit of an animal rights law thing. Some good news. Well, especially for animals. You may have heard of this online safety bill that's going to regulate internet content. Well, today the government tabled an amendment to that bill to add something, and that is about animal cruelty. Because it's a rather disturbing phenomena that people are uploading videos of, animal suffering, and some of it's almost like to order. It's awful. There's people, sort of, getting internet clout by literally posting videos of animals being tortured. So what does this mean? Well, basically, it puts a duty on social media providers not to allow that content, regardless of where the content originates, even if it's abroad. But within the UK, it will be an offence for social media companies to allow that content. And it's what we call, they've called it a priority one offence. In other words, it's on the same sort of, scale as, things to sort of, humans. And what are the penalties? Well, they're up to 10% of the revenue of the social media company, although it's capped at 80 million. But yeah, they're going to take a zero tolerance approach to this. So it'll be interesting. So obviously, at the moment, this is just an amendment to the bill, and that has to go through all the various stages in Parliament. But I think it'd be a pretty brave MP who votes against this one. We'll just have to watch and see. But there you go. Oh yeah, thanks Lord Loverduck. He was the one who put me up to this. Yeah, if you found that interesting or heartwarming, I'm really happy about it because it doesn't actually stop things happening, but it sort of de-incentivizes people hopefully. But yeah, if you did like that, consider clicking the like button, sharing, subscribing, all those sorts of things.